In this question, it says a scientist mixes together a solution of iron 2 sulfate and lead 3 nitrate. Once these stir, solid lead 3 sulfate forms and aqueous iron 2 nitrate forms. Write the molecular, the complete, and net ionic equations. So the first thing we have to do is figure out our compounds. So we have iron 2 sulfate, which means our Fe. So we have Fe2 plus and SO4 2 minus, so FeSO4 aqueous. Adds to lead 3 nitrate, so we have Pb3 plus, so we have Pb3 plus, and nitrate is NO3 minus, so that means we have to have 3 nitrates. This is also aqueous. And so then we get out solid lead 3 sulfate. So now we have Pb3 plus SO4 2 minus. And when we mix these together or make them, so we'll have 2 lead, so Pb2 SO4 3, and this is going to be solid, plus iron 2 nitrate, so we have Fe2 plus NO3 minus, so we have 2 of those, and it's aqueous. So now we have this, and we need to balance this equation. And so we can see that there are 2 lead here, so I'm going to put a 2 here. Then I can see that balance is this, but we have 3 sulfates, so we're going to put a 3 here. And so now I have 3 irons on the left that are unbalanced, as well as the nitrates. So if we put a 3 here, we have 3 irons and 6 nitrates. This is what we see on both sides. So this is the molecular equation. Now we need to complete. This tells us which ions are in solution. So we have 3 Fe2 plus aqueous plus SO4 2 minus aqueous. Oops, we forgot our 3 plus 2 Pb3 plus aqueous plus 3, nope, there are 6 of those, 6 NO3 minus, also aqueous. I'm going to start the next one on the next line so I don't run out of space. Our next compound is lead sulfate. Lead sulfate is solid, so it doesn't dissolve into its components. So we have Pb2 SO4 3 solid, but the iron nitrate does, so we have 3 Fe2 plus aqueous plus 6 NO3 minuses aqueous. So this is our complete equation. This shows us everything that went in the beaker and what is left. Our net ionic equation removes our spectators. I'm going to highlight my spectators red. Spectators are things that are on both sides. So we have iron 2 plus on both sides. It's always a good idea to make sure that they balance. And we also have these nitrate ions. So the difference between a molecular equation or the complete ionic and the net ionic has to do with how many of them there are. So we can rewrite this as 3SO4 2 minus aqueous plus 2 Pb3 plus aqueous, and that gives us Pb2 SO4 3 solid, and that is our net ionic equation.